Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? Mr. New Money, back with another video. If you ain't watched my last two videos, make sure y'all go ahead and tap into my last two videos, man. They lit. Run the numbers up on them. Like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? But as you see in the title and the thumbnail, man, we going to the gun range today. We about to go shoot this brand new Glock 19 Gen 5 edition at the gun range. We're gonna see if that bitch gonna jam on me, or that bitch gonna move solid. You feel me? So, hold on, man. As y'all see right here, we got that guy right here. You know, it's our baby, man. Mag hold 15. Let me see. Got 15 round mag. I don't know why it's not focusing. I'm still trying to get used to the recording with a little camera and all that. But yeah, we got a 15 round mag right here. In Maryland, the mag limit that you could buy in Maryland is 10. Y'all got, but you know, they got 15. They gave me a 15. But yeah, man. Hold up. Wait a minute. Yes, Ersky. We ready to head out here to this gun range though. Like I said, we're about to go be shooting this brand new Glock 19. And yeah though, catch y'all out there. You know, I'll probably stop and check on y'all on the way out there as a ride, you feel me? But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, send this video to a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend. And yeah, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Hey y'all, so we like 4 minutes away. You know, I'm not making no money out the YouTube or nothing. So why not put the music on, give you a little bit of Baltimore taste again, yo. Every video I'm gonna put some Baltimore on for y'all, yo. Listen.
Take the peas off, woke up, I was sleeping in lane off. Tell them how about that whip, you gon' beat gone. They gon' knock something down and speed off. She a eater, she gon' fuck if I buy the sneakers. Having whatever they need, we outside when niggas sleep. We can look for this bitch in my lane on. Get brought it up, look, you gon' tee off. Tryna pass me an amp, put my team on. Got me walk this ass down, put the beam on. Wait, hold on, I was out there with sleeping in the morning.
We already here, you feel me? If you from Baltimore, I got 2 gun ranges, you feel me, that you should hit. You should either hit Gumtree. You feel me? Gumtree like a nice little date. You know what I mean? It's like you take a little vibe out there with you. You feel me? Cause I say that because they got the little restaurant up there. So they got the they got the restaurant up there. So far as like the bar, the grill. You feel me? Let's go up Gumtree if you want some little cool, little slick, laid back shit. I mean stuff. You know what I mean? Hit Free State. That's where I'm going right now. I'm just on some make a video right quick. I can't see, and I ain't trying to hit nobody. It's straight pickup trucks around this bitch. I'm talking about everybody in this bitch around got shotguns and ARs, bro. I'm the only person with a Glock 19 in here, bro. I know I am. I know I am. I know. They probably like Glock 19, boy. What's that? I got me a shotgun. Hey, no, though we here. I'm gonna get y'all when we get inside. I don't know if I can record in there yet. So I ain't even gonna chance it. I'm gonna go in there and talk to the people, see if I can record. You feel me? Yeah, let's get in here, man. Alright, bro.
So these are all 22s, 3s.
Got a whole showcase for scopes. That shit hard.
I got the one you looking for in the range. Oh, for real?
This shit's hard.
I, like, in my opinion, I love the way that feels. Like that grip is just...
Look at this Drake right quick, y'all. Drake, crazy.
This is a 10 round mag.
Drake, though. I don't know why it's not focusing. I'm still trying to get used to the camera thing, but look, I got Drake. Couple little ARs. Definitely a whole lot on the pistols though. I want Glock like this color. I want Glock that color.
Yeah, right like that underneath.
Peanut butter.
Let them ride on each other like that.
This shit hard.
That's a good deal, too.
3 mags is a good deal. You get, I think, 2 mags with this. So it really depends what you're feeling, man. You know? 2 shot. That's yeah, Derringer. So it's over under. You shoot one, got to cock again, shoot the other. They're cool guns. They're just like they're basically like fun guns. You know what I mean?
That's how
Like,
that's supposed to feel. The reason why that don't feel.
it feels like in your backyard, like you live in like the. Oh.
No, that's you. You just can put in your first one.
Close it. Tap it.
I think that's gonna be my next gun right here.
So this is good for like, let's say you're in your backyard. And you don't want
Big boy.
to but like, you got some snakes or something. You get to carry 2 rounds of. Oh, these are 9mm, but they make them all different types of caliber.
I was in North Carolina the first time I seen one.
Outside whenever they need it. Pop on it. Try and make YouTube. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of the video. You feel me? Y'all seen how I was just going in the gun range. You feel me? You know, excuse me if, you know, the video or the clips of me shooting isn't that clear or isn't that good. You gotta understand, I don't have a cameraman. You know, I don't even have a tripod right now. I gotta get a tripod for one. And then once, you know, the videos and everything start getting put in motion a good way, I get a cameraman so as though he can have all the good shots. You feel me? He can have all the good flicks so y'all can see how everything went. But make sure y'all go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, send a video to a friend, and tell that friend to tell another friend to tell another friend, because why? Support is free, bro. Support free. You don't gotta pay me to subscribe, bro. You don't gotta pay me to drop a like. You feel me? You don't gotta know me to drop a like. But listen, we got lit content coming to the channel only. Yeah, we're gonna try to upload daily, you know. That Glock 19, boy, that bitch ain't let me down. That Glock 19 ain't let me down for sure, though. That bitch jump. Look, though, make sure y'all check out my shorts. I got a whole lot of shorts on the page. My first short of me shooting is now on the YouTube channel. But like I said, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We out of here, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. We got better and lit content coming on the way.